Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Scientific. Finally friends, I'm back with another new interesting video which is on the Motorola Edge 20 device. So recently the Motorola devices, they are getting the feature which is called the Ready for Go. So let me show you exactly. So which is option called the Ready for, as you can see friends, exact. So right now I'll be testing this Ready for option connecting to my laptop. So which I got right now on the backside, as you can see. And this is my first time demonstrating this kind of thing in front of the live camera. So even I did not use this feature before. So what you need to do is that you need to just tap on the option which you have here, and there's a link which is available. As you can see, try to visit the motorola.com.readyfor. So once you visit the website, same website which is available backside, let me show you what you need to do next. So once you visit the website, you need to just scroll down, and here you will be finding the option which says download ready for. As you can see friends, exactly. So once you click on that, the file will be downloaded automatically. And once after the file downloads, you just need to click on that one run option, and once you run it, and you'll get this kind of window, as you can see, which says which will give you the QR code scanner, as you can see exactly. So right now, so once after you open the Ready for feature in this Moto Edge 20 device, at this moment I'm trying to make a video and try to scan the QR code. Right now it will be connected, and you'll get the notification message as well in the Moto Edge 20 as well, which is connected at this moment. And in the Moto Edge 20 you do get two options. One is having the switch to mirror mode, so whatever you do here it will be switched over there. And next, if you want, you can disconnect, even if you can use as a webcam as well. The webcam story which I'll try to talk about later on in another video I'll try to do. But let's talk about Ready for share, what you can actually do it, how fast it is. So that's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. Straight now, one quick thing I did notice is that you cannot actually resize anything in the window. Yes, the window you cannot resize. It's kind of fixed at this moment. As you can see right now, I'm trying to resize and it's not happening resizable. So the window you cannot resize, so it's kind of fixed window. That's the one thing. Let me try to close this lock screen as well. So right now the phone is also completely closed, which is a Moto Edge 20 here, as you can see here friends, and it's connected. And let me try to open all the apps. So let me try to click on here, and we got all the applications whatever I installed in this device completely. It's kind of slightly slow, as you can see. It's not that fast, but it's connected via Wi-Fi connection. Right now that it established the connection. Right now you can see the Wi-Fi how slightly kind of slow, not that speed. But let me try to open maybe the browser. Not browser, sorry. If I want to use the browser, I'll definitely use on the laptop only, not the browser thing. So maybe let's try with the small games. Let's try with the Candy Crush small games I'm trying to open. Let's see what's going to happen. No, it's not that smooth. It's kind of lag, as you can see. There's a delay is there in between these both phones. That's the one thing you can actually see. And let me try to minimize this one. Yes, you can actually minimize, and you can resize the inside application window, but it's kind of slightly delay, as you can see here friends, clearly. So I do have very strong Wi-Fi connection at this moment. As you can see, it's kind of close to 50 Mbps of Wi-Fi speeds I'm getting here at this point. So Wi-Fi signals are really strong in this place. Right now I'm trying to open another game, but it's not that smooth at all. Wow, this game is actually it got programmed friends. When I click the arrow marks, it's kind of working. Wow, that's kind of fantastic. So let me show you exactly the arrow mark. As you can see, it's kind of working exactly as it is. It's kind of good to see this kind of integration with the game as well, the arrow mark and keyboard. That's kind of neat. Not bad, but it's kind of slightly getting delay at this moment. And let's try next mode, which is called the maybe switch to mirror mode. Right now I did switch to the mirror mode. I'm going to check whether it will be smooth or not. Right now you can see how my display is showing over there. I did select the wantedly this kind of live wallpaper, because just to show you how well this both phones looks. If you try to see side by side, is any kind of lag or not. It was very smooth, not bad. So let me try to play the same game which I did open before. Let me try to resize. Can I do the resize? No, yes, I can do it, but not much. It's not that much big resizable window. Anyway, you can see some kind of lag latency you will definitely feel while like gaming like this in the mirror mode. I'm trying to just check the speed, how it is. It was not bad, it was good in terms of the speed. So mode was working perfectly fine. So in case if you want to do any kind of text message, you can definitely do it from the keyboard and the laptop itself. That's kind of real advantage of having this kind of functionality here. That's the kind of thing. Yes, it's kind of working really good, very fast, not an issue. So next mode is that if you try to use the USB mode, it's working really smooth. Yes, so wireless mode, it's not that smooth, but with the USB. So right now I did connect to the USB, which is given in the box, so type C to type C USB only. Another thing which I thought of mentioning. So it was able to perform really good, not bad in terms of the USB connection. As you can see, when there's not much delay is happening at this point, I can actually play very smoothly this game actually, yes. With the opening and closing animation also, it got slightly better. As you can see, it got really good opening and the closing animations. And now let's try a little bit kind of hard game, which is a Asphalt 9 game. Let's see whether the game will be able to load faster or not. And the phone will also get charged during this time of connection of the USB cable. That's the one thing you should definitely know about. Right now it's kind of loading. So if you try to use the USB, then definitely it will be really fast. So if you don't want to use the USB, that is where you'll get slightly kind of lag. But if you want to the normal purpose, I mean, if you want to just do the WhatsApp text messages, something like that, then it's kind of really good. Wireless will be good. But if you want to play the games, then something like this, you need cable connection. So here we do have the indications as well. Wow, keyboard, automatically it got selected. As you can see, friends, ASW, wow, that's good. So this kind of integration is really good to see. Not bad. So it's better than I expected. I did not expect this much of kind of integration into this one. But one thing is that I'm unable to run in full screen. Let me try to see what can I do. Oh, I cannot get the full screen. I just wanted to have the full screen. Display settings there is available. I did select the maximum, but something which display font and size, nothing. Make the display on the screen. I cannot get anything, friends, apart from this one. Sorry for that. So I cannot get the full screen experience. It's really sad to see, but at least something is working. Not bad. Wow. Drifting and recharging. Okay, so there's complete tutorial as well. Not bad. The keyboard tutorial, friends. That's the space also working fine, perfectly. Not an issue. It's very smooth. Damn. It's really smooth. As you can see, friends, it's very smooth. If you try to use with the USB, it's very good to have this kind of connection. So that's the thing about the Asphalt 9 game, and let me try to do a couple of other games. Maybe the Battlegrounds mobile game I'm gonna try. What will happen? Let's see what happens next with the Battlegrounds mobile game, because it's quite interesting to see how well this game gonna perform in this stage by using these keyboards. I'm not sure this mouse will be integrated, because if it is integrated, that will be really great, because I don't need to use any kind of BlueStacks or something emulators to play in the PCs anymore. Wow, that's very smooth, friends. That's fantastic. Not bad. It's better than my expectations. Absolutely, yes. So it's really good to have feature this kind of ready for go. But only thing, maybe they should upgrade this kind of resizable window. That's what bothering me, because Samsung Dex has this kind of option. The arrow marks are working fine, but mouse, you cannot move the mouse. That's something, as you can see, friends, clearly. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick walkthrough about the Ready for Go feature in this Moto Edge 20. I hope you understand how it's useful. It's really good. So if you want to have the stable connection, try to use with a USB cable. Otherwise, the connection will be very slow if you use the Wi-Fi connection. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll state up more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.